Well, it's Halloween, and what better way to spend it than by summoning a spirit with a Ouija board? Yeah, I know it's spelled with an A. I don't want to get sued, okay? So just go with it. Spirit that haunts this place, please recommend me a spine-tingling movie to watch tonight while I stuff my face with candy corn and Rolos. Ah, what's this? Blood Orgy of the She-Devils. A terrifying screaming plunge to the depths of hell. Rated PG. Rated PG? Halloween's ruined.
Geez, these opening credits haven't blinked once. I wouldn't want to compete against her in a staring contest. Who am I kidding? Of course I would. No girls ever stared at me for this long. My favorite part of this movie so far is that guy's name almost being Phil Beaverman. I thought I was invited to a blood orgy, not a nipple blood orgy. Did Mola Ram over here shout Kali Ma and yank it off? Is this what happens when you incorrectly guess the password at a blood orgy as Fidelio? That isn't necessary. He's long dead. So far, no orgy and only nipple blood. Great.
Concentrate intensely on the psyche in the center of the forehead and search for your distant past.
All she did was conjure up a boom mic shadow. What a crappy witch.
Your wine glass. Look and watch.
Ron Jeremy and John Wayne Gacy really like magic, I guess. Wow, she broke that glass off screen. Therefore, she must be a witch.
40,000 rupees when the job is finished.
Roofies?
Not enough. I want 10 times that much.
What the hell is she gonna do with 400,000 roofies? Oh, right, blood orgies.
$30 in hard United States currency.
When the work is accomplished. Good day.
Consider this bloody rag a down payment. The head in the crystal ball from Disney's Haunted Mansion must be on a smoke break. Why are the eyes of Alice Cooper watching this couple make out in the dark? The budget for this movie was so low they could only afford a peeping Tim.
What the hell? Come on, get out of here. Go on, Eyes of Alice Cooper. I'm doing a show. Go on.
Dick, what are you doing here? Dick, what's the matter with you?
He's cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs and infidelity.
I am about to call upon my spirit guides. My Indian guide, Takawana.
Takawana? I want a taco.
My ancestral aunt, Jessica.
Ah, the lightning scared the film print.
My body will host them, and they will speak to each of you through me. I am not aware of what they are saying, and I shall have no memory of it later.
So don't blame me for anything.
You may ask questions during the visitation, and speak freely with the spirits. We shall begin.
And the wine and Xanax kick in now. She must be taking the world's biggest dump. Ah, that must be where the blood comes from for the blood orgy.
White squaw, you know be going have papoose. You carry papoose inside 2 months.
Yeah, papoose, teepees, peace pipe. I don't know what's more ridiculous, this blatant racism or a stovetop burner necklace.
Well, mine sucks, and I clearly have no business summoning Indians.
You glad you come by my teepee?
Yeah, I'll
Sit
gladly
by
come by
my
your teepee
fire?
for my bunghole.
Yes, I am.
Now she's gonna cough up a hairball, or crap out that spirit. Are colon ghosts a thing?
They sure are.
Who invited Anton Sugar to this thing?
It's a ghost.
Oh man, somebody called the colon Ghostbusters. Is that a giant glass of pool water? Guess a little nip before bed wouldn't hurt.
As my will, so mote it be.
Oh no, someone dipped my photo in barbicide! So wait, all you have to do to get revenge on someone is dunk their headshot in some water?
God damn it, go away! Stop making grown-ups movies!
You're not wearing a belt?
There is no other way.
John Wayne Gacy, assassin.
One with this sort of power can turn it against you.
Do you have any twos? Nope, just Lamort. Go fish. This damn thing only gets the coat jacket channel. Rated PG. Still rated PG. Still no blood in this blood orgy movie. What the hell? She turned into a fart and then turned into a cat? What? Ah, lost my balance. Go on, cat. Stop looking at the camera and do something. The director must have had a hard time getting this cat to act on cue.
I said action!
Rise, Taruk, and follow. There is work to be done.
Fart cat, away! Put her hand in it. She'll pee in her sleep. Get her fingernail scraping so we know who did it. Wait, we know who did it! Oh, why can't I just be Judd Hirsch in Independence Day? Why can't I just be Donny Osmond?
Check. That's a good move, Mark. Isn't that a good move? But not good enough. Check and mate.
That is the shortest chess game I've ever seen.
What the hell's wrong with you?
So he killed you and you make him itchy?
As my will, so mote it be.
I don't even think Ricky Bobby would eat that shake and bake. Death by ants in the pants. Her voodoo banged on the fact he was either standing next to a window in a tall building or driving.
Let's see, we've got Sylvester Stallone, Woody Allen, Sharon Stone, and...
Ah, my soccer leg!
As with the likeness, so mote it be.
He has no idea what's going on. He must be on pins and needles.
The witchfinder would look for a wart or a teat.
A teat?
Yes, or a mark of any kind, and that's where the familiar was thought to feed. And if such a mark were found, the person was put to death.
Almost everyone has a mole, a wart, or some sort of mark on their body.
I've got
How could that
17
be
teats.
evidence?
Witchfinders were paid only after the suspect was proven guilty. Consequently, the odds were up by the strange ways they devised to prove guilt.
We now bring you the elementary school presentation of Blood Orgy of the She-Devils. Again, rated PG. This is good for kids.
Concentrate your thoughts on the revelation in the mirror.
Now eat your Jell-O. She was stoned to death in her past life for wearing Satan's plaid. It was horrible. They hit me with sponges. Wow, his nails look great. The worried look of Donny Osmond when he forgets his Dramamine. In his past life, he was burning sticks? Ew, we're spiders! You know, the music in this Blood Orgy really needs to step it up. Let's try this.
Woo! Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Up in here, up in here. Y'all gon' make me go all out. Up in here, up in here. Y'all gon' make me act a fool. Up in here, huh?
Now, we're all qualified in our respective fields of mind power, ESP, witchcraft, and exorcising the evil spirits. And I can assure you that we're going to have our hands full here tonight.
Because of Satan's clearly ominous turquoise glow. Tom Savini must have joined Fred Flintstone in the Loyal Order of Water Buffaloes. Why don't my fingers do that?
Gone thee from this place.
This guy should have just said Beetlejuice 3 times. This is no ending to a movie. They're just shaking the camera and the door fell. That Blood Orgy was nothing like what I saw in South Park. Where were the woodland critters? This is the same set as the witch torturing flashback, just redressed with a red towel. She would have been better off turning into a fart cat and running up the stairs. Can she hypnotize me so I can forget this movie?
Oh, what the hell? Go on. Get out of here, hey! Damn bats are always ruining my Halloween. Leave! Go away! Is this thing even working? Ow! Ugh. Well, Halloween is officially over.
Oh,